Analytics Solver data mining gives you easy-to-use, comprehensive data mining, text mining, and predictive analytics in Excel. Sample data from spreadsheets, text files, and SQL databases, including Microsoft's Power Pivot in-memory database handling 100 million rows or more. Use visualization aids from simple bar, line, and histogram charts to multiple linked charts, instant access changes, colors, panels, zooming, brushing, and more. Automatically transform free-form text into structured data, identifying most frequent terms and extracting key concepts with latent semantic indexing. Use feature selection to automatically identify columns or variables with the greatest explanatory power for your desired classification or prediction task. Use the Workflow tab to create multi-stage data science workflows. Use logistic regression and data mining methods like k-nearest neighbors, naive Bayes, and ensembles of classification trees and neural networks. Use powerful multiple linear regression with variable selection and data mining methods such as regression trees, neural networks, and ensemble methods. Apply the most popular exponential smoothing and Box-Jenkins or REMA methods with seasonality to forecast time series, such as sales and inventory, from historical data. Use market basket analysis and recommender systems with association rules. Product support and help is interwoven throughout Analytics Solver data mining, ranging from our wizard-style dialogues to our help center, where you can open user guides, example models, start a support ticket or a live chat with a tech support specialist, all within Excel. To learn more, click the Education and Training tab to enroll in Solver Academy or watch tutorial videos. With Analytics Solver data mining, you get all the features of Analytics Solver Basic for conventional optimization, Monte Carlo simulation, plus optimization of models with uncertainty, with size limits for learning, at no extra cost. Start your free trial today.